This is a portrait of the grapevine, a plant we're still learning how to make truly productive. There's something quietly captivating about a grapevine. It twists its way upward, reaching for the sun, and after years of steady care, offers small clusters of deep sweetness. We have 2 blueberry grapevines, both gifted to us 6 years ago during a gardening workshop. They have never been prolific, but what they produce are truly amazing fruits. Each grape ripens into a dusky blue-black, like midnight captured in a berry. Their taste is rich and complex, sweet, with just a touch of wine-like depth. Each season, the vines follow a familiar rhythm. In autumn, leaves drift down to carpet the ground. Winter strips them bare, revealing the quiet dignity of their gnarled trunks. Spring brings the first stirrings, tiny green buds, then barely visible blossoms. By summer, those blossoms become emerald clusters soaking up the sun. Their broad leaves stretch outward like open hands, casting playful shadows as they rustle in the breeze. The vines climb gently but persistently, always reaching for light. When ripe, each grape bursts with flavor, sweet with a refreshing tartness. Though small in size, they're rich in nutrients, especially anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries. In traditional Chinese medicine, the grape plant has been valued for centuries, not just for its fruit, but also its leaves and vines. As early as the Shen Nong Ben Chao Jing, or the Divine Farmer's classic of Materia Medica, from the Han Dynasty, grapes were praised for their ability to tonify qi and blood, benefit the kidneys and liver, generate fluids, and strengthen muscles and bones. Later, in the Ming Dynasty's Ben Chao Gang Mu, or Compendium of Materia Medica, Li Shizhen provided an even more detailed account, describing how grapes supplement qi, promote urination, and fortify bones and tendons. The text also records the medicinal use of grape leaves and vines, noting their anti-inflammatory effects and other healing properties. Grapes have long symbolized abundance in Chinese brush paintings and ceramics, in ancient poetry, and in Western traditions. Our modest vines may not fill baskets, but they carry that same spirit of quiet generosity. Of course, grapes need thoughtful care. They love sun at least 6 hours a day and thrive with good air circulation. Powdery mildew can be a challenge here in Southern California, especially in warm, still weather. A simple homemade spray, baking soda, water, and a touch of soap helps protect the leaves when used preventively. We prune decisively each winter and thin the clusters in early summer to help the fruit develop fully. The vines appreciate compost-rich, well-drained soil, a steady diet that keeps them healthy without excess. Our blueberry grapevines have become part of our seasonal rhythm. Some years, they're overshadowed by flashier companions like passion fruit. But this year, with a bit more light and space, they're thriving, and that feels hopeful. So here's to modest joys, steady rewards, and vines that share our gardening journey, literally and metaphorically. Until next time, happy gardening.